This is what $50 actually gets you on Airbnb in Kilimani. I spent the weekend checking out this gem, and honestly, the reality might surprise you. Here's my honest review. This Airbnb is located in Kilimani area near Oloitoktok Road and Gatanga Road Junction. It's not so far from the JKIA, and also it's very close to the CBD. The place is 35 minutes from the airport, 19 minutes from the city center, and 18 minutes from Nairobi National Park, and 5 minutes from Lavington Mall, though there are other malls nearby where you can do your shopping when you're here. The security here is very good. When you're getting in, they do their thorough search, and accessing the place, you cannot access the place unless you have authority either from the owner of the Airbnb or one of the persons staying in the BNB. The place is so accessible. You can come here with an Uber, you can come here with a matatu, or you can come with your personal car. Now, this Airbnb, when you get into it, the first thing is you're welcomed with this nice dining set. This dining set clearly indicates that this place was meant for two. But if you're alone, at least you'll have a place you can eat with your side chick over here. Now, when you get inside, you're welcomed with these nice couches. I don't know about the choice of the color, but they're nice. You and your guests can sit here and watch this amazing television. It's big. Here you can watch the World Cup over here with you and your friends. Now, I really wish they did put a music system over here because I'm a music lover and I like hearing the music with quality bass, you know. Also, there's this table over here which is cute, makes the place look beautiful. Generally, it's a beautiful place. You can clearly see that the person who designed this place has a very good interior design eye. Now, on the wall, there's this lovely art. I don't know much about art because I love frames and photos. This kind of art did not make so much sense to me because it looked like something that was slapped on the wall to fill the room. But maybe I'm looking at it that because I'm just a photographer. Out there, it could be a very expensive piece of art. Now, when you get into the kitchen, it has a very nice open kitchen. I love the fact that this kitchen is so big that you and your partner can cook all at the same time, or you and your friends, if you're having friends over, can cook together. You know, there's space to move, there's space to store your food. You can look at the storage space, it's very big. There's space for you to move as you cook. You can even dance as you cook. They have a nice fridge over here where you can store your food when you're coming here for a long-term stay. You can store enough food for like a month or something. They also have a microwave. You can warm your food quickly if you're in a rush or you're not in a mood to cook. Now we get to the bedroom. You're welcome with this nice cute bed. The bedroom has very big windows, letting enough light in. If you're somebody who likes waking up and being hit by that yellow sun, this is a place for you. That yellow sun really hits you well. I really wish they put some seat over here so that those of us who like reading can be able to read as we absorb the morning, absorb the day. That's one thing I really wish they did. Now, when you leave this bedroom, there's another mini bedroom over here. You can put your kids, you can put your third wheel, or you can put your ex over here in case you're traveling with them. Yeah, it's nice and small, which makes this now a two-bedroom. This is now a two-bedroom. You get here to the balcony. This balcony doubles up as a washing area. It's a bit tight, you know, but it's enough. It's long. It's not wide. I wish it was wide. Over the balcony, you can view the city. You can view the city. You see the kiosks over here as you chill, you know. Now getting into the bathroom, it has this nice bathroom over here. I don't know why bathrooms in Kilimani are located near the door. Wanataka tuingie kama tumeoga ama nini. Now the bathroom is nice. It has this place where everybody gets, whether you're rich or poor, everybody has to sit here at some point. And then there's this area where you bathe. They have nice hot shower. Yeah, kuna kuoga much baridi. And there's mirror over here. If you're somebody who loves makeup, you're taken care of. Yeah, you leave the bathroom side. This other side, there's a storage area. When you get here with your dirty shoes, you You can keep them in this storage area. There's another storage area up here. Very nice, very cute. Hey, people who are asthma, they are taken care of. There's these two sleepers you can use to walk with into the house, and it's nice that it's not just one. So asthma people, you're taken care of. So would I pay $50 for this place? Yeah, so I think it's fair. I can pay, considering with 6,000 in Kilimani, most of the time you get a 1-bedroom. This one qualifies to be a 2-bedroom. Yeah, so 6,000 is quite a fair price. The owner of this place is very friendly, very responsive. Anytime you need any form of assistance that she can be able to offer, she will be very, very, very quick to offer. If you want to book this place, you can talk to me. I'll leave my Instagram link. You can hit me through Instagram. I can be able to connect you with the owner of this place, and you can have a beautiful stay over here. Moving forward in this channel, I'll be doing B&B reviews, I'll be doing car reviews, and I'll be doing travel destination reviews. If there's a place you'd want me to review, or there's an area that you want me to review a B&B for you, let me know in the comments. Those who love cars, if there's a car you want me to review, let me know in the comments so that I can get it ASAP. It was nice having you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.